Well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beards Diaries. All right, got a lot of questions pertaining to this. Actually, it's going to be a matter of two questions. One, what is my daily beard care routine? And I've got a lot of, almost as many questions pertaining to this as my actual beard, and that's how I style my hair. So this is going to be a first because a lot of times I mentioned that I use beard balm, but I've never shown how I style my hair. And again, I don't style my hair every day, just for special occasions and for when I vlog. So this will be kind of like a behind the scenes, if you will, giving you my secrets in regard to how I style my hair. So yeah, enough talk, let's rewind. First things first, in regard to my daily beard care routine, I wash and condition my beard. I find it makes it more manageable. In regard to the product that I use, I've been using the Beard Struggle, their beard wash, and their conditioner, and the scent that I've been using is Viking Storm. Viking Storm, pertaining to the scent, it's a very subtle sandalwood. I like using subtle scents because just in case I want to throw in some cologne if I'm feeling fancy, they're not going to clash with each other. Yeah, so enough talk. I'm going to jump in the shower and I'll be right back. Okay, we are washed and conditioned. Next thing to do is dry off the beard. While I'm drying off the beard, I'm assessing the situation. I'm looking at the cheek lines, I'm looking at the side of the beard, I'm looking underneath the beard to see if anything needs to be cleaned on or cleaned off. Right now, it's looking okay. A few days ago, I did do a cleanup of the beard. If you want to check out the video, I'll have the link somewhere up here. I don't know which side it is, but check that out if you're curious. Otherwise, we're looking good. I don't have anything planned, so I try to keep it simple. Some people use a blow dryer, some people just use a towel. I just, again, keep it simple. I just use a towel. Okay, we are dry for the most part. Next step, this is a pro tip right here. Let me show you. I take a brush, and with this brush, I kind of pull out from the bottom of the beard. That way it adds more volume. There's some people that they'll go ahead, they'll brush down, straight down on the beard while it's damp. And that will cause your beard it'll train it to fold under your chin. Some people may want that, but I myself, I like adding volume to the beard. So again, I just go ahead and pull it out from the bottom. Just like so. And again, it's a matter of preference. I like having a fuller beard. Some people like having a beard that lies flat. If that's the case, you're just gonna go ahead and brush straight down. And you can even use a blow dryer at the same time that you're brushing, and that'll help remove any waves that you may have in your beard if you don't want those in there. But I like a natural appearance with that volume. Now the next step that I do is I go ahead and I add some beard oil to my beard, and we're keeping it consistent. I have a Viking Storm for the scent of my beard oil. Let me do this. I do about 4 drops into my hand. Set that down, rub it in the hand, put it through the beard, and we are good to go with the beard. Now that the beard oil has been added, next thing to do, the mustache. Hold that thought. With the mustache, I grab a comb and I comb it straight out to the sides. As with everything else, it's a matter of preference. Some people like the mustache to hang over their lips. I, for one, do not. It makes things a little easier when it comes to eating and drinking things, so I like to train it to go out to the side. Now, if you don't have a comb, you can simply use your fingers and split it right in the middle. That's one way to do it, but I do like using the comb because I can go all the way through and straighten it out. And I don't stop there when it comes to training my mustache. Once I have combed it straight out with the comb, oh, if I didn't mention before, this is from the Beard Struggle as well. I'll put the link somewhere. You know what? Matter of fact, I'll have a link to the beard struggle in the description box below, and I'll probably pin it in the comments so you can't miss it if you're interested. But I mean, any comb will do, but I do like using beard struggle products. Alrighty, like I said, I don't stop there when it comes to training the mustache. I also use a beard balm in my mustache. I like using the beard balm instead of the wax because the wax can get a little sticky, a little too sticky, and makes more of a mess than anything else. And again, that's my opinion slash preference. So I grab the beard balm, put it in my fingers. Let me see here. Rub it around in my fingers like this. Let me go ahead and grab the tips. I split it from the middle and just kind of pull it out to the side. It keeps it together for the most part, a lot more than if you didn't have any product in your mustache. And at the same time, it's not too stuck together. Once again, it's a matter of preference. Some people really like doing the handlebars and twisting them at the end. I've mentioned this before, I like my beard to appear as natural as possible with a little bit of upkeep so I don't look too scraggly, if you will. So yeah, that's the mustache. Now, pertaining to the beard balm, two birds with one stone. Now that I have the beard balm in my hands, I'll probably grab some more, or I will grab some more, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I don't normally do this. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry and style my hair. Now, mind you, I hardly ever do this. If I wanna be fancy, if I'm going on a date or if I have some kind of shoot or something, I'll use a blow dryer and I'll toss my bangs to the side. Wait, guys don't call them bangs, do they? I'll have to like edit that and put the proper name right here or something. But what I do is I blow dry my hair to the side, because if I don't blow dry my hair, it'll do one of these and the bangs kind of just like lie flat in front. So as of late, I've been doing something a little different. I'll show you. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this isn't even working, dang it. What's going on here? See, I don't even know how to use this thing. I'm turning it on, but it's not. Hold on one sec. There we go, we have power. All right, now that the hair is dry, we're gonna go ahead and grab the beard balm, put it in our hair, style, and we're golden. There we go. All right, we are good to go. Now, for those of you that have asked how I style my hair, I hope that helps answer the question. I know I've mentioned in the past that I use beard balm in my hair, but I've never gone through and actually showed you how I use a blow dryer to style my hair sometimes. So yeah, so I hope that helps out. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.